It's been a slow morning for base metals here on the floor of the London Metal Exchange, and after the initial downward drift, around about mid-morning prices were trading at or around their lows across the board. They've since recovered, and going into the afternoon session, most of the metals are narrowly mixed. If we take the copper market, at one point that got near $72.30 a tonne. It's since recovered, it's back around $7,300. That's very little changed on the day. Likewise in other metals, downward drift initially arrested, and going into the afternoon, most of the metals are either holding small gains or running with small losses. Very few incentives and drivers in the short term, it has to be said. There was some data, some news out of China over the weekend, a survey of property values in the month of April. They're rising in 68 out of 70 cities that the government monitors. So that threw up the possibility of further measures to curb what could become a property bubble, and that would impact on the metal-sensitive housing sector there. Other than that, there's no key data or developments until the middle of the week. That's when we'll see some testimony from the Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke towards Congress. That's when we'll start to see the data flow pick up with durable goods figures out of the US, PMI numbers out of China and out of Europe. Until then, the market, as traders say, is stuck in a bit of a rut. It's two-way CTA activity based on technicals, and for the most part, they show that the markets are going to continue ranging fairly narrowly and fairly routinely. This is Martin Hayes of Fast Markets on the floor of the LME.